Understanding, not know any better, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, not know any better. This phrase can be tricky for English language learners, so we're here to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use this phrase correctly in various contexts. Let's get started. The phrase, not know any better, refers to a situation where someone acts in a certain way because they lack experience, knowledge, or understanding. It's often used to explain or excuse behaviors that are considered inappropriate, incorrect, or naive. The key here is that the person's actions are not seen as entirely their fault because they simply did not have the necessary information or maturity to act differently. To better understand how not know any better is used, let's look at some examples. 1. For children, he drew on the walls, but he's only 3 years old. He doesn't know any better. Here, the phrase excuses the child's actions due to their young age and lack of understanding about where it's appropriate to draw. 2. For adults in new situations, she apologized for breaking the protocol at work. It was her first day, and she didn't know any better. In this case, the phrase is used to show understanding towards someone new to a situation who hasn't yet learned the rules or norms. 3. Learning from mistakes. I used to think it was okay to skip class, but I didn't know any better back then. Here, the speaker uses the phrase to reflect on past behavior, indicating they have since gained knowledge or maturity. When using not know any better, it's important to remember a few things. It's typically used to offer an explanation rather than a justification. The emphasis is on the lack of knowledge or experience. The phrase can be used for oneself or others, but when referring to others, it's crucial to avoid sounding condescending. The goal is to show understanding or empathy. Context is key. Make sure the situation genuinely reflects a lack of knowledge or understanding before using this phrase. And there you have it. Not know any better is a phrase that offers a nuanced way to discuss actions taken from a place of inexperience or ignorance, without harsh judgment. Whether you're using this phrase in everyday conversation or writing, remember its empathetic tone and the importance of context. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more comfortable using not know any better in English. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.